Hello everyone, you are all welcome to Alveoly E-learning. My name is MK Obin. I'm one of the instructors at Alveoly E-learning. At Alveoly E-learning, we exchange your learning problems with our simple learning solutions like the alveoli of the lungs. All you have to do is to get a phone or a laptop or a computer with an internet. Then with your pen and paper or with a notepad and a pen, you just go online, you sign up to www.alveoly.com and you are good to go, and voila, you are enjoying your lessons at Alveoly E-learning. Today we are going to talk about acid-base imbalance. Alright, so it's very important for us to know these parameters. So we are saying that one, the pH scale is a scale that will help us to know if a substance is an acid or a base. Okay, and we are saying that it ranges from 0 to where? 14. Then pH below 7 makes that substance an acid. pH above 7 makes that substance an alkaline or what? A base. Okay. Alright, now let's look at the pH of blood. Okay, the pH of blood is 7.35 to 7.45. Very simple. So now we know that the pH of blood is what? 7.35 to 7.45. Kindly don't forget this figure. It's very important. Sometimes they might ask in exams. So looking at this scale, we realize that 7.35 and 7.45 will be around this place, meaning that the pH of blood, blood is what? Slightly alkaline. So this indicates that if we have a pH, maybe let's assume you go and check the pH of your blood, and they said the pH of your blood is, let's say, 6. Then it means that 6 is below what? 7, which indicates that our blood is becoming more what? Acidic. Which also means that our blood contains more what? Hydrogen ions. So that is all that you have to understand. If the pH is less than this 7.35, then it means that your blood is becoming more what? Acidic. Then we term it as what? Acidosis. If the pH of your blood is more than 7.45, then it means that you are moving towards this direction. So your blood becomes more what? Alkaline. Then we term it as what? Alkalosis. So basically, that is all that you have to know about acidosis and alkalosis. This is the foundation of acidosis and alkalosis. All you have to understand is that the pH scale is a scale that helps us to know whether a substance is an acid or a base. However, the scale ranges from 0 to 14. Then at 7 is neutral. So any pH which is less than 7 gives us what? Or makes that substance an acid. If the pH is more than 7, then it makes that substance what? An alkaline. However, the pH of our blood is 7.35 to 7.45. And it is at this range that the enzymes or the cells in our body can function what? Effectively. So anytime the pH is less than that or more than that, it will lead to certain signs and symptoms in our body. Okay, and we are saying that if the pH is less than 7.35, then it means that we are moving towards this direction. So for instance, if your pH is 6, then it means that it's less than 7.35. So your blood is becoming more what? Acidic. So we termed it medically as what? Acidosis. Then, if the pH is more than 7.45, then it means that your blood is becoming more what? Alkaline. Then we term it as what? Alkalosis. So basically, all that we are going to do is that we are going to understand what? Acid-base imbalance. It is balanced when our acidic and alkaline level, you see, are at par to the extent that our pH is 7.35 to 7.45. So if it is lower than this, then it means that the hydrogen ions are more, or our acidic level is becoming so much, meaning that it is what? Imbalance. If our pH is more than 7.45, then it means that our alkaline level is so high to the extent that we are having a lot of base or a lot of alkaline in our blood. So because of that, we term this topic as what? Acid-base imbalance. Okay, so basically that is that about acid-base imbalance. Thank you so much. We'll move on to the next lesson in our next video for us to look into details on acidosis and alkalosis and look further into what the types of acidosis and alkalosis. Thank you so much.